Hi friends, it's me Shanila, and today I'm going to be showing you a breathing technique that helps if you have period cramps. If you're somebody who gets a lot of cramping during your period or right before or right after or during, this is a breathing technique that's going to help alleviate some of that discomfort and some of that pain. And of course, if you're somebody who doesn't get a period or you don't menstruate and you don't get cramps, send this video to somebody who does. It's going to help them quite a bit, all right? So before you start, I want you to be somewhere where you can have a little bit more fluidity, a little bit of space to move, especially in this lower kind of hip region of your body, okay? So if you're laying down, that's good for you if you want to be, but seated like this is going to be the best position for you as we get started, all right? So regardless of why you get your cramps, there's lots of different reasons why you might be getting cramps. One of the core reasons why we have cramping in the body is because we're not exhaling out carbon dioxide from our body. So anytime there's more carbon dioxide in our cells, we have a tendency to cramp. So our cells essentially collect like this. They kind of get a little bit more denser than when we're bringing in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide from our body at the same rate. So breathing is one of the ways that we can alleviate those pains. And of course, if you have other reasons why you get cramping, definitely consult your doctor, etc. This is just one of the ways that you can help yourself feel a little bit better during that time, okay? So as you get seated, just find a little bit of movement in your hips, this like lower area, kind of in your lower back. If you want to butterfly your legs like this is going to be nice. And take it as gently as you need to, especially if you're watching this while you have cramps. It's not fun to have all of that. And then as you get here, do a little nice circle. Nothing too crazy, just a nice circle. And breathing just regularly. Don't worry about what your breath is doing right now. Just easing into this movement and go ahead and circle the other way. Good. And you can even gently place a hand on your belly, kind of just start to massage your lower back, just opening up this space, opening up your hips, opening up this space that is probably a little bit tense for you. Good. Then as you get here, the little kind of front snakies, like do a little bit of these circular movements in the front. All we're doing is just opening up our lower back, our belly area. Good. And then take a deep breath in, raise your arms, and exhale, shake out your body. Just shake out energy. So you've got it. We're going to be doing this circular motion, and we're also going to be doing this forward circular motion as we do this breath. And the challenge here is to exhale a little bit longer than you inhale in. Because what we're trying to do is let go of that carbon dioxide that collects in our body, especially in this energy space, in this womb space, in this, period, menstruation, cramp kind of space, this lower back area. You want to imagine yourself exhaling from that space in your body. So just practice with me, exhaling to your mouth, but in this space or from this space, okay? 1, 2, 3. Try it again, and this time really squeeze from this lower part of your body. Like you're imagining there's like a collection of carbon dioxide, like a bag of carbon dioxide, and you're kind of just pushing it out of your vessel, okay? So take a deep breath in and exhale from this groin area. Good job. All right, so let's start the breath. We're gonna be breathing in through our nose and then out through our mouth, and just follow along with me and you'll be okay. So go ahead and start to make this big circle with your body, slowly, gently, and intentionally. And going as small or big as it feels nice for your own hips, nice for your own waist, do your own thing. So go ahead and take a deep breath into your nose, slowly breathing in. And exhale, squeeze from your lower body, squeeze, exhale, exhale, in and out. In and out. switch sides, breathing in through your nose, filling up your entire body, envisioning this breath to really go into your lower back, into your womb space, into the period crampies, and exhale. So breathe in. And exhale. Breathe in. And exhale, squeeze out, breathing out as long as you can, really envisioning this exhalation, taking out all the carbon dioxide in your body. Good, and as you return to center, go ahead and just like wiggle out your belly, wiggle out your hips, give your belly a nice rub, squeeze your lower back. Now we're going to start this front movement, okay? So breathing in and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And notice now in this movement, your entire body is kind of coming with you. And see if you can put a little bit more movement in your lower body, kind of just allowing the space that can feel, really tense. I know cramps are just, they're not that fun. They're not interesting enough for us to hold in our body. So if you can kind of just wiggle it out your body, letting the breath kind of carry this, breathing in and out. In and out. In, out. And this next last three, as you breathe in, on those exhales, squeeze your body as you're exhaling. Again, inhale. And as you exhale, squeeze your body, especially from your lower half of your body, letting go of all the carbon dioxide, letting go of all the stagnant energy. Breathing in and exhale. Good. Come back to center and just wiggle at your hips, wiggle at your shoulders. Take a deep breath in, raise your arms up and shake it out. So friend, you can save this video and come back to this when you have any kind of period cramp situation going on, but you notice how easy it was for you to just like do it while you're sitting. So if you get a period cramp or you get some kind of cramping at work or while you're doing stuff, you can do this seated down in a chair. You can find 10, 15 seconds, up to 30 seconds, just sitting and doing it while you are breathing and allowing that cramp to kind of alleviate from your body. All right, so save this video and hit subscribe so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Breathwork, sound healing, spiritual exploration, all that good stuff. And until next time, I will catch you soon.